Hello everyone. Once again I am here with you, and as you know that I have explained you in the previous class about the daytime sky and the nighttime sky. Okay, so in the daytime we can see the sun, birds, and you can see in the nighttime. What will you see in the nighttime? Stars, moon. Okay, now see in the daytime the things which you can see are, you can also see Mercury and Venus planet, okay, in the during the early morning hours. Okay, that's why these planets named as morning stars. Okay, and they are seen very low near the horizon in the sky. Okay, now come to the nighttime sky. See this. You all know that the moon is the brightest and most recognizable object in the sky at night. Okay, and you can see the stars and the planets in the night sky. Okay, and you will see the planet Venus, that is the brightest object in the sky, and that is after the sun and the moon. That means after sun and moon, which is the brightest object in the sky, that is the Venus. Okay, and Venus is not the only planet we see in the night sky, but you can also see Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Okay, these are the planets you can see in the night sky. And see this, you can see the Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Venus with the unaided eye. Okay, without the help of the telescope. And now the rest planets are very faint and can be seen only with the help of the powerful telescope. Okay, and the planet Saturn was the first planet discovered by using a telescope. So see this. See this. The planet Saturn was the first planet discovered by using a telescope. We will learn this. Okay, now come to the stars. See this, very large number of stars in our sky, and the stars are huge spheres of very hot gases having light of their own. And do you know the sun is also a star? Okay, but you will see the sun, what? You will see the sun is very bright. You can say that sun is very bright. That means sun is the star which is nearest to the stars. Okay, all the stars are like sun, but the sun is the star which is very nearest to the earth, and that's why you can see sun light, and you can get the heat from the sun also and light from the sun. Okay, and now see, almost all the stars are millions of times farther away from us as compared to the distance of the sun from us, and it is for this reason that the sun appears like a ball to us. What? Sun is like a ball to us, but the other stars appear only as point or dots. Okay, and stars appear as dim points in the night sky, and why? This is due to their very large distances from us. Okay, and they do not disappear during the daytime. They are present there in the sky all the time. However, they are not visible during daytime due to the sun's brightness. Why they are not visible? They are not visible during the daytime due to the sun's brightness. Okay, now come to the next topic, that is the constellation. Now you will ask, what is constellation? So constellation is a group of stars that appear to form some recognizable pattern or shape in the sky. Okay, now different constellations are there, you can recognize them easily, and when you will see during this spring in the early night, you can able to see what Ursa Major, and this is also known as the Great Bear or Big Dipper. Okay, and the two stars at the top of this constellation, that means Ursa Major, are called what? Pointers. And this is because the line joining those points is the direction of the special star called pole star, or you can say north star. Okay, and you will see here in the page number 126, we can see that Orion is the constellation that is visible in winter. Okay, Ursa Minor and or Small Dipper that is visible in spring, and Cassiopeia visible in autumn. So these are the constellation you can see in the sky. Now pole star or north star. Okay, or you can say Dhruv Tara. In Hindi it is Dhruv Tara. It is a special star present in the northern hemisphere. Where? In the northern hemisphere. And this star, unlike other stars, appear to remain fixed at one place. Okay, and this is so because it lies along the axis of rotation of the earth, and because of this special feature, this star has been useful to travelers, and it defines the north direction. Which direction? North direction. Okay, now I am going to explain you the differences between the planet and the star. So see this, here the 3 points are there. What are the differences? How can you distinguish between the planet and the star? See this, number A, planet is closer to us than the stars. Okay, and that's why planets appear like tiny discs, whereas stars appear as points. Okay, and second is the stars appear to twinkle, but planets do not twinkle. Okay, and stars do not appear to change their relative position with each other in the night sky. They appear to be almost stationary. Okay, however, the planets change their relative position with respect to each other, and they appear to move against the background of the stationary stars, and this was the reason why ancient people named them as planet, that is wandering star. Okay, planet in ancient time people called planet as wandering star. Okay, now changing night sky. See this, you know that stars do not appear to move with respect to the other in the sky. Okay, stars do not appear to move with respect to each other in the sky. However, if one closely observe, but you think so, but when you closely observe some bright stars for an hour, then what will we see? You will see that there is a slight shift in the position of these stars in the sky. Okay, slight shift. And the stars like sun appear to move from east to west. Okay, so stars like sun appear to move from east to west. You feel this. Your stars are moving from east to west. But see why this happened? This is because due to the rotation of the earth on its axis from west to east. This is due to only rotation. Okay, stars remain fixed there, but the earth moves. Okay, and this due to the rotation of the earth on its axis from west to east, stars like the sun appear to move from east to west. Okay, and now you have to see, you have to know about the revolution and rotation. Revolution everyone knows. I think in the previous exercise I have already taught this revolution. That means the moment the sun moves around the sun, the earth moves around the sun on a fixed path, that is called revolution, and the movement of the earth on its axis, that means movement of the earth around the sun on a fixed path is revolution, and movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. Okay, so these are the points you have to learn, and the keywords are there. Here the keywords are there: constellation, pole star and star, and you have to learn all these keywords also. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.